Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Ever heard of RISC-V? It's an open source processor revolution that's shaking up the tech world, and it might just power your next gadget. Unlike the locked down chips from Intel or ARM, RISC-V is free for anyone to use and tweak. In 2025, it's exploding from startups to giants like NVIDIA, betting big on its future. Over the next 5 minutes, we'll unpack what RISC-V is, how it works, and why it's being called the future of processors. Ready to dive into this open source game changer? Let's go. So what's RISC-V all about? It's a processor instruction set architecture, or ISA, born in 2010 at UC Berkeley. Think of it as the rulebook chips used to process commands like a brain's playbook. It's open source. Unlike proprietary ISAs like 86 or ARM, anyone can download RISC-V's specs for free, tweak them, and build custom chips without paying royalties or begging for permission. It stands for Reduced Instruction Set Computer version 5, RISC-V. Simple, flexible, and modular. It's perfect for everything from tiny IoT sensors to beefy AI servers. That's why it's catching fire. How does RISC-V actually work? At its core, it's lean and mean, fewer, simpler instructions than older ISAs. That means faster designs, less power use, and chips tailored to specific jobs. Developers grab the open source specs and customize them with tools like Verilog or Chisel. Want a chip for a drone? Add flight controls for AI. Boost math power. It's like Lego for processors. Companies then fab these designs at foundries like TSMC. No gatekeepers. In 2025, RISC-V chips are popping up in wearables, 5G gear, and even space tech, thanks to this freedom. Compared to ARM, which charges licensing fees, RISC-V is a budget champ, zero upfront costs. ARM's still king for phones, but RISC-V's catching up fast in IoT and edge computing. It's not just cheap, it's secure. Open source means anyone can audit the code, spotting bugs or backdoors. That's why the US and EU are eyeing it to dodge proprietary risks in 2025. Big players are jumping in. NVIDIA's using RISC-V for GPU controllers. Alibaba's got server chips. And Sci-Fi's pushing high-end cores. It's a community-driven rocket taking off. What's RISC-V doing out there? It's slashing costs for startups. No licensing fees mean more cash for innovation. In 2025, small firms are churning out custom chips like never before. It's also powering the edge. Think smart thermostats, drones, and cars. RISC-V's low power and flexibility make it a star in the IoT boom, with billions of devices expected by 2030. And it's challenging the giants. Intel and ARM are sweating as RISC-V grows, with China and India adopting it big time in 2025. It's a global shift shaking up chip wars. Where's RISC-V headed? Experts say by 2030 it could grab 25% of the processor market. That's billions of chips. Phones might be next as performance ramps up in 2025. Will it kill proprietary chips? Not yet. ARM and Intel have deep roots, but RISC-V's open nature could democratize tech, letting anyone build the future, from garages to labs. That's RISC-V, the open source processor revolution. Hyped for this future? Comment your thoughts Like if you are inspired and subscribe for more tech deep dives. Catch you next time. Thank you.